Are you tired of scrolling endlessly through your Instagram chats to find the conversations that matter most? Don't worry. Instagram has a super handy feature that lets you pin chats to the top of your list. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to pin and unpin chats on Instagram, so you can stay organized and access your important DMs instantly. Let's get started. When you pin a chat, it stays at the top of your messages list regardless of when the last message was sent. It's perfect for keeping your most important conversations easily accessible. And don't worry, it's completely private. The other person won't know that you've pinned or unpinned their chat. Let's walk through the steps to pin a chat. Launch the Instagram app on your Android or iPhone. Tap the messenger icon in the top right corner to open your direct messages. Scroll through your list and locate the conversation you want to keep at the top. On the iPhone, we have here. Swipe right on the chat and tap the three dots menu. Tap on the pin option. And just like that, the chat will now appear at the top of your DMs. You see a pin icon near that person's name. Changed your mind or no longer need that chat pinned? Here's how to unpin it. Pinned chats will always appear at the very top of your DMs, so they're easy to find. On the iPhone, we have here. Swipe right on the chat and tap the three dots menu. Tap on the unpin option. The chat will return to its regular position in your message list based on the last activity. If you're having trouble pinning or unpinning chats, here are some quick fixes. Make sure you're running the latest version of the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Close and reopen Instagram to refresh your settings. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall Instagram to ensure you have all the latest features. And that's it. Now you know how to pin and unpin chats on Instagram like a pro. This little feature can make a big difference in keeping your DMs organized and stress-free. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy pinning!